to come again. This is right where Sunny님, nail togam님 did my SNSD nails that were like made of Swarovski crystals, and she killed it. She kills it every time. And today we're gonna do some I woke up like this nails, and honestly I've been wearing like fancy. Wait, I didn't wear my blush today. This was a gift from a subscriber like 7 years ago. Don't judge me for using 7-year-old. I didn't even start using it until recently because I was saving it because I'm like super sentimental. I didn't know I could eat my birthday cake. Gotta look good for Graham. She's getting ready. I love this lip balm for blush. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so congested. I've been congested for 3 months. And it smells like bubblegum. I love this. Anyway, what I was saying was that I've been doing like fancy nails for like a long time. But now we gonna do I woke up like this nails because
언니! 이 자리에 앉는 게 오랜만이에요!
사람들이 느껴지고. 네, 맞아요. 그래서 광고만 하고 그러니까 하고 뭐 컨텐츠도 조금 관심 끌려고 그런 컨텐츠 돈 위해서 그런 느낌? 근데 그러면 오, she's so smart. Last time she did this too. She put a little bag and taped it up for her garbage. I was like obsessed with that. 쓰레기 설치하는 막 우리가 돈 어떻게 버는 것보다 그게 더 중요한 걸로 알게 됐고 이제 그냥 재밌는 것만 하고 찍으면서 그러는 게 더 그러니까 너무 웃기죠. 많이 나오네요. Before, after, so clean. 언니는 손톱 관리 어떻게 해요?
샵에 가서 받아요.
아, 혼자 하는 것보다 낫죠.
네, 샵에 가서 받으면 나도 기분이가 좋아져.
네, 스트레스 풀리고. Oh, so close. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look! Blush nails. Looks like I'm flushed with love, okay? Because of this blush nail. 오, 대박. Skills. Skillage. 뭐야, 이게? 너무 이쁘잖아. Thank you so much! I love it! Look how cute it is! 하트. 하트. 이렇게 막 네일 자랑하면서 하트. If you want to visit Gangnam, check out Nail Togam, but she's only here for another limited time, okay? Until the summer, so you have to check out her shop at Gangnam Station 11, Chugu, exit number 11, but only until like April, May. Okay, that's the only time you have at Gangnam, and then we'll reveal in the future where she will be. 기대합시다. 기대하세요. 기대하세요. 바이바이.